Having let the CSL designation lie dormant for 2 decades, BMW has revived it with a vengeance. The 2023 BMW M4 CSL fully embraces the attributes of a race car: loud, uncomfortable, and intense. In a departure from the typical nostalgic rebranding exercises, the CSL lives up to its billing as a roadworthy race car, shedding creature comforts, gaining 40 extra horsepower, and earning the title of the fastest BMW M3 or M4 tested by Motor Trend. The inclusion of track tires and a rigid chassis enhances responsiveness and provides the tactile feedback often absent in modern BMWs. However, the question lingers: is there a practical application for a road car of such extreme intensity beyond being a collector's item? The M4 CSL, priced at $140,895, significantly outpaces the M4 competition by almost $60,000. Driving the CSL is an unforgettable yet less than pleasant experience, subjecting occupants to an aggressive ride and a carbon fiber bucket seat with an intrusive hump. This intensity may make it more suited as a garage-kept, long-term investment rather than a daily driver. The M4 CSL distinguishes itself from conventional BMWs with its stripped-down features, carbon fiber components, and performance-oriented enhancements. The fixed-back carbon fiber seats, carbon ceramic brakes, forged aluminum wheels, titanium muffler, and extensive use of carbon fiber contribute to a claimed 240-pound weight reduction. However, the actual weight difference, measured at 3,590 pounds, is slightly less than BMW's estimate. Accelerating in the M4 CSL is a relatively smoother affair, with launch control engaging the torque converter 8-speed automatic in second gear. The 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six, boosted to 543 HP and 479 lb-ft of torque, delivers power progressively, reaching its peak at 7,200 RPM. Despite being outpaced by the all-wheel drive M3 competition in the 0-60 run, the CSL compensates as the speed increases, achieving a quarter-mile mark at 128.8 mph. Yet the M4 CSL exhibits inconsistency in braking performance, with stops from 60 mph varying between 106 feet and 119 feet. The ABS system's sensitivity to minor changes in grip results in unpredictable braking behavior. Additionally, the car demonstrates resistance to directional changes under load, displaying stubborn understeer in cornering situations. The 2023 BMW M4 CSL stands out as a niche, track-capable product adhering to the original CSL concept. The M4 CSL's potential status as a collector's piece, coupled with its unique driving characteristics, sets it apart in a market where traditional values are often challenged.